Lately on this channel, I've been talking about digital nomad issues. And that's because I'm currently organizing a trip. My wife and daughter and I will be spending this summer in Florence, and I've signed my daughter up for a school there, and my wife and I will be working while we're there. So why am I sharing all this? Well, assuming you're freelancers or trying to be freelancers, then you don't have an office tying you down. Even if you pay rent or you have a mortgage, you own a house, you have family, you have pets, etc., there's actually still no reason why you can't live like a digital nomad for a while. You might think this is unrealistic at first, but remember, there are ways to get out of a lease, even temporarily, or you can sublet your apartment, which basically then means there's no difference between paying rent at home and paying for an Airbnb somewhere else. Or you may even be able to exchange apartments with a friend who lives in another city for a while. Anyway, what I'm saying is that where there's a will, there's a way, and I'm trying to show you a couple of the ways that I use. Now, this may not be your standard moving house scenario, but it's also not a one-week tourist trip. Being a digital nomad is something sort of in between. You get to live somewhere new, experience life there as a local, and then decide to leave if you want, or not. As I mentioned before, over 50 countries now offer digital nomad visas, so this lifestyle is becoming a lot more common and accepted. But the first step to take is to decide to go. Maybe you have a destination in mind, maybe you have several destinations in mind. But if this is something that's on your bucket list, I'm here to give you permission to get started. Now.